Sean "Diddy" Combs is facing a tough trial for serious crimes like sex trafficking and racketeering. Legal expert Meesha Moulton from Meesha Moulton Law thinks it might not be a good idea for him to testify. She says that testifying in your own case can be risky because it lets the prosecution question you more. Moulton points out that being questioned in court can be very stressful, and the prosecution will try to find any mistakes in what you say. If you get flustered or upset, it could make your case worse. The stress might also make the jury see you differently, which could hurt your defense. Combs' lawyer, Mark Agnifilo, wants him to tell his side of the story. In an interview, Agnifilo showed a more personal side of Combs, talking about his life and the good things he's done. Moulton thinks that by showing a more complex side of Combs, he could make the jury doubt the prosecution's case. However, there are many challenges ahead. Moulton warns that Combs needs to be ready for anything that might happen in court, like new evidence that could change the trial's direction. The trial itself is very serious. Just last week, federal agents brought charges against Combs for running a criminal operation that involved threats and sexual exploitation. The charges are very serious, describing Combs' freak-off parties as places filled with drugs, sexual abuse, and attempts to hide evidence, including finding over 1,000 bottles of lubricant. He's facing a big hearing on October 9th. If he's found guilty, he might spend at least 15 years in prison. The trial is very public and will be influenced by his and his lawyer's choices in the next few weeks.